Hi guys. Are you trying to find the best protein shaker bottles to match your busy and active lifestyle? Today on Dudes Tech, we are checking out an incredible set of bottles that will completely change how you mix your daily drinks. Whether you are hitting the gym hard or just need a quick meal replacement on the go, this product has you covered. Let's get started. Right away, the Mr. Penn protein shaker bottles stand out because they offer a highly practical solution for anyone fully committed to maintaining a solid nutrition routine. What makes this package truly special is that it includes two generous 28-ounce bottles. This brilliant twin-pack design provides amazing flexibility. You can have one bottle filled and ready for immediate use, while keeping the second perfectly clean and on standby. One of the most important things about any container is how well it actually blends your drink. Inside each of the Mr. Penn protein shaker bottles, you will find a premium stainless steel wire whisk ball. This simple but highly effective tool is specifically designed to mix your contents thoroughly as you shake. It actively breaks apart thick powders and eliminates annoying clumps, guaranteeing a smooth and consistent shake every single time. There is nothing worse than opening your gym bag to find your powder spilled everywhere. Thankfully, these feature a very secure screw-on lid combined with a tight flip cap. This clever combination ensures the bottle is completely leak-proof. This means you can confidently toss it into your backpack, leave it rolling around on your car seat, or place it on an uneven surface without ever having to worry about messy accidents ruining your day. When you use a product every day, build quality matters. These bottles are carefully crafted from incredibly durable, BPA-free plastic. This material is safe for daily human use and will not leach harmful chemicals. Additionally, they feature a clever semi-transparent design. This clear visibility allows you to monitor your mix from the outside. You can see exactly how much liquid you are adding and effortlessly track your daily fluid intake. Despite holding a large 28-ounce capacity, these bottles are designed to be wonderfully compact and lightweight. They feel great in your hand and fit nicely into standard car cup holders. Because they are so easy to transport, they are suitable for a wide range of daily activities. You can take them along for intense workouts, fun outdoor adventures, or just keep one sitting on your office desk to stay hydrated while you work on your computer. Having that twin-pack design really enhances your daily convenience. You can prepare a nutritional drink in one bottle for the morning and have the other ready for a recovery shake later. Whether you are focused on fitness or trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle, they provide a reliable and user-friendly way to enjoy shakes anytime. They combine functionality and durability in a surprisingly simple design without any complicated extra parts. Are you ready to enjoy perfectly smooth shakes wherever your day takes you? Check the price link in the description to grab this awesome set today. Please remember to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more fantastic videos. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one.